Hello students, we are back with the next session of chapter 2. In this session also we'll learn the comparison of numbers but with the help of the number line. So let's start. We already know that the symbol for greater than is this and the symbol of less than is this. So when we say that 3 is greater than 2, we write it as this and we use the symbol greater than. And when we say that 5 is less than 8, we write it as like this and we use the symbol less than. Now we'll learn how to use the symbols with the help of the number line. So as you can see, there is a line. This line is called the number line and there are numbers written over here. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now with the help of this line, we will learn how to use the symbols of greater than and less than. So let's see. The number to the left of a given number is less than that number. Means जो नंबर गिवन नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में होता है वो हमेशा उस नंबर से छोटा होता है. और वी कैन से दैट number that come before are always smaller than given number. So let's see with an example. 5. Let's take 5. So the number is 5 and we will see the numbers left to 5. Let's see. The numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. These all are the numbers that are to the left of 5. So these numbers are smaller than 5. As you can see, 4 is smaller than 5, 3 is smaller than 5, 2 is also smaller than 5, 1 and 0 are also smaller than 5. And these numbers are before 5 also. ये नंबर 5 से पहले भी आते हैं, इसीलिए ये सारे नंबर 5 से छोटे हैं. Now let's see the next. The number to the right of a given number is greater than that number. Means गिवन नंबर के राइट साइड में जितने भी नंबर आते हैं वो उनसे बड़े होते हैं. और वी कैन से नंबर्स दैट कम आफ्टर आर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन गिवन नंबर. लेट्स सी विथ 5 ओनली. See, numbers that are on the right side of the given number 5. Let's see them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these numbers are greater than 5. एंड ये सारे नंबर्स 5 के बाद भी आते हैं. सो ये सारे नंबर्स 5 से बड़े हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट द नंबर्स दैट आर मार्क्ड विद ब्लू आर लेस देन 5 एंड आर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 5. एंड द नंबर्स विच आर मार्क्ड विद रेड आर ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ 5 एंड आर ग्रेटर देन 5. So I hope you all have understood this. Now let's see the next example. Put the correct symbol greater than or less than in the placeholder. So 5 and 9 is given. So we have to put the symbol. Now let's see. On the number line, we find that 5 lies to the left of 9. As you can see that 5 is on the left side of 9. 9 is this number and 5 is on the left side of 9. So 5 is less than 9. So we have put less than symbol. As you can see, this symbol of less than. Now see the next one. 7 and 4. We see that 7 lies to the right of 4. Now let's see. 7, it is to the right side of 4. As you can see, 4 is here and 7 is here. It is to the right side of 4. So it is greater than 4. So we have put symbol of greater than. So that's all for today. I hope you all have understood this comparison of numbers using the number line. In the next session we will be doing our exercise. So till then, stay home, stay healthy and keep learning. Bye bye.